Hello friends, myself Asim Mawar. Now I will show you how to replace RAID 5 hard disk through MegaRAID Storage Manager. Now this is a server here, one hard disk has failed. Now we want to replace it. Now first one we open MegaRAID Storage Manager. Just double click on that. This is a tool where uh, it can show all RAID hard disk RAID 5 hard disk, and we can manage all RAID 5 activities through it. Just click on that and put our server username, add administrator, and put our server password. And just log in on that. Just a minute, I'll show you what's happening here. Actually it is already open on different window, that's why it shows that error. So first one we close it. Now we open this. Just log in it. This is a MegaRAID storage manager. Here it will show all logs of RAID 5 activities, where we can find all errors. It takes some time actually. Now here, this is a dashboard, this is a physical hard disk, and there is a logical one. So friends, we can see here slot 4 SAS 279 GB hard disk has failed here. So this is a RAID 5 hard disk, so we must change this hard disk here. So for this we have all logs here. PD predictive failure, slot number 4, that means this hard disk has failed. So now we want to replace it. So just do it one thing, select this hard disk and right click on that, and if we select start locating this drive, that means it indicate on server physically, blink one light there, and it shows that is the right hard disk which has failed. So we want to replace it. So just click on that. Now here that faulty hard disk has blinking on the server. So I got which one is faulty, so that is a correct hard disk. So we must stop this locating drive, and then right click on that and make drive offline, because we want to replace it, so we must this must be offline. Click on confirm. Warning, this will make physical drive offline. Are you sure? Yeah, I am sure. So just click on that, reconfirm this, and just click on that. Yes, I want to replace it. Now this hard disk has offline. So now we are removing this hard disk, old hard disk, and replace new hard disk on this. Now I am putting new hard disk on server. Yeah, I have replaced that hard disk. Now slot 1 has not shown yet. Now it shows and rebuilding. Now it rebuilding here. I put it new hard disk here, this one. Now that will be rebuilding here. Slot 4 back plan slot 4 SAS 279 rebuilt. It shows rebuilding here. Now it will take some time for rebuilding. It will take time. This is a percentage, 0%. Now click on more details of it. Now controller 0, server red, SATA, and here slot 4 SAS 279.397 GB rebuilt. Here we show whole detail of this hard disk through Mega Red storage manager. So it will rebuild after 2 hours 45 minutes. And after rebuilding, because it when we insert new hard disk in this red 5 server, then it will rebuild automatically. When you insert new hard disk on this, then after inserting, it will rebuild automatically. So it will take 2 hours 45 minutes and 5 seconds for rebuilding, and after that it will rebuild automatically, and you will no need to do anything on it. So this is the main method to replace red 5 hard disk through Mega Red manager, Mega Red storage manager tool. This is a nice tool for red 5 monitoring and replacing any faulty hardware, and we can monitor red 5 all activities through this tool. So thank you so much, thank you so much my friends.